Pursuit's award-winning dual console line is introducing the DC246. Housing all the versatility and innovation that you expect of the dual console family, the DC246 is powered by a single 300 horsepower Yamaha outboard engine with digital electronic controls and integrated electronic steering. She delivers plenty of seating, comfort, and convenience for both offshore and inshore activities. And at a 25-foot 8-inch LOA, the DC246 is perfectly sized for your family's next adventure. Welcome aboard. Let's get started in the bow area and work our way to the transom to show you everything that the new DC246 has to offer. An optional windlass may be operated manually or via the handheld remote. Also located under the rope locker hatch is an optional beach boarding ladder, a new feature for Pursuit that enables you to easily board the boat while at the sandbar or on the beach of a deserted isle. Step back from the anchor locker and discover the bow, where there is ample room for everyone. Contoured seats with fold-down armrests and drink holders make the bow a comfortable spot for your crew to hang out. The plush, diamond-patterned upholstery offers the refined look and feel that Pursuit is known for. Lift the cushions to reveal insulated storage to stow your gear. Built-in handrails are within easy reach, and convenient storage is molded into the outboard sides. Here, an optional bow table with sun pad filler cushion provide opportunities for dining, lounging, and soaking up the sun. Walking aft through the center hinged window, notice the sturdy fiberglass windshield frame. The tempered glass windshield and windows, port and starboard, are designed to deliver unobstructed views and crystal clear visibility. When running in inclement weather, simply close and latch the center window, then latch the recessed one-piece door to keep the main cockpit dry and wind-free, providing comfort to captain and crew. A storage area in the starboard console provides a dedicated space to stow your optional bow table, sun pad cushion, and trash receptacle, as well as additional gear. It also houses the access to your main distribution panel. To the port side, you'll find the head compartment, complete with an optional electric toilet, freshwater sink with pull-out shower, and Corian countertop. The fiberglass door has additional wood-accented storage and an easy-to-use latching and locking system. Take the helm and note the well-appointed dash that will allow you to operate with confidence, knowing that all the controls and navigation equipment are right where you need them, with fold-down armrests and a bolster that flips up to create a leaning post. The premium helm seat also adjusts vertically and fore and aft for optimum visibility while underway, and can be rotated to socialize with guests when dockside. Storage in the helm consists of a hatch on the center line and a drawer below the port side seating. For more versatile entertaining, opt for the Cockpit Wet Bar package that features cup holders, a sink with faucet, Corian accent and work surface, along with a 45-quart Yeti cooler. The elevated companion seat provides unobstructed views through the windshield. Combing storage and cup holders are also within easy reach. As we enter the roomy cockpit, Pursuit's goal of functional versatility is on full display. This boat can take you from entertaining to fishing in no time. Let's start with entertaining. First, the standard fold-away transom seat opens into the cockpit. Add the optional fold-away port side seat, and it creates a roomy bench across the full transom area. Then, with the aft-facing port side seat's pull-out cushion, you can create a single lounger or put it all together for an L-shaped relaxation zone. Ready to fish? Fold up the transom, port and aft seats, and you have plenty of room for an exciting day on the water. Fishing amenities include a 15-gallon recirculating lighted live well, a deep 31-gallon in-transom insulated fish box, and gunnel-mounted rod holders. On to the transom, where you'll find the transom gate to the starboard side and the walk-through opening to non-skid walkways, plus a crossover path to move port and starboard, easily accessing the additional storage located in the swim platform. The transom extensions serve as another point of entry and exit, with a flush-mounted pull-out ladder aft and to the starboard side. The DC-246, with standard Yamaha F300, cruises at 33 miles per hour at 4,500 RPMs with a top speed of 45 miles per hour. No matter what your plans are on the water, the spacious and versatile DC-246 adapts to you and your family's preferred pastimes. Thanks for touring the DC-246. To experience all that our dual console family has to offer, visit your factory-authorized Pursuit Boats dealer or learn more online at pursuitboats.com.